Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 electric rice cookers in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading electric rice cooker that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Number 5. The COMFEE Rice Cooker, a 6-in-1 stainless steel multi-cooker that's more than just a rice cooker. This cooker isn't just for rice. It has 6 digital cooking programs including steam, slow cook, and even quinoa and oatmeal functions. With an 8-cup cooked capacity, it's perfect for small meals or tasty sides. Space-saving design is a plus. User-friendly with a digital panel and LED display, it features 6 one-touch programs and a 12-hour delay timer for flexible meal planning. The stainless steel housing is easy to wipe clean. The inner pot and accessories are dishwasher safe. Cleaning is a breeze. It has built-in overheating protection and is made of BPA-free food-grade material. The cool touch handle ensures your safety. In conclusion, the COMFEE rice cooker is a versatile, compact, and user-friendly appliance with great safety features. Plus, it comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. Number 4. The AROMA Digital Rice Cooker. This isn't just a rice cooker, it's a steamer and a multi-cooker too. First off, this cooker has easy-to-use digital controls, and an automatic keep warm mode. No more cold rice. It comes with preset functions for white rice, brown rice, steam, and flash rice. Versatility at its best. The provided steam tray lets you steam meat and veggies while your rice cooks below. Talk about multitasking. This cooker prepares 2 to 8 cups of any variety of cooked rice or grains, perfect for small and large meals alike. Lastly, the sensor logic technology ensures delicious, fluffy rice every time by controlling the internal temperature throughout the cooking cycle. In conclusion, the AROMA Digital Rice Cooker is a versatile, easy-to-use appliance that guarantees perfectly cooked rice every time. Number 3. The BLACK+DECKER 6-cup rice cooker. This little gem is more than just a rice cooker, and here's why. His cooker can handle up to 3 cups of uncooked rice, yielding 6 cups of cooked rice. Perfect for small families or meal prep. Once your rice is cooked, it automatically switches to keep warm mode. No more overcooked rice. The non-stick bowl is removable, making it super easy to serve your rice and clean up afterwards. Both the bowl and the lid are dishwasher safe. Say goodbye to tedious hand washing. The indicator lights let you know when the cooker is in cook mode or keep warm mode. Plus, it operates at 120V and uses 300 W of power. In conclusion, the BLACK+DECKER 6-cup rice cooker, RC506, is a versatile, user-friendly appliance that makes cooking rice a breeze. Number 2. The COMFEE Rice Cooker, a versatile kitchen gadget that's more than just a rice cooker. First off, this cooker is multifunctional. It has 8 digital cooking programs, including options for rice, brown rice, quick rice, steam, mixed grain, quinoa, sauté, and oatmeal. Next, let's talk about its ultra capacity. It can yield up to 20 cups of cooked rice, perfect for families, parties, or any other activities. The effortless operation is a standout feature. With its user-friendly digital panel and LED display, it automatically switches to keep warm for 12 hours and has a 12-hour delay timer for flexible meal planning. Cleaning is a breeze with its easy-to-clean stainless steel housing and non-stick inner pot. Plus, all included accessories are dishwasher safe. Lastly, the COMFEE rice cooker has built-in safety features like overheating protection, a cool touch handle, and is made of BPA-free food-grade material. In conclusion, with its 1-year manufacturer warranty, the COMFEE rice cooker is a great addition to any kitchen. Number 1. The TOSHIBA Rice Cooker Small 3-Cup Uncooked. This compact yet versatile cooker is a game-changer for your kitchen. This mini rice cooker is not just for rice. It features 8 cooking functions, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. From brown rice to oatmeal, this cooker handles a variety of grains. It's perfect for families or individuals wanting to cook multiple servings. The cooker's fuzzy logic technology adjusts temperature and cooking time, ensuring perfectly cooked fluffy rice every time. With a large LCD display and intuitive control panel, this cooker is user-friendly. It also includes a 24-hour delay timer and keep warm reheat function. The non-stick inner pot and removable steam valve make cleaning a breeze. Remember, the pot is not dishwasher safe. In conclusion, the TOSHIBA rice cooker is a versatile, user-friendly, and easy-to-clean appliance. Plus, it comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty from TOSHIBA. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.